Good morning, Texans. Today is Thursday, August 27th, 2020, and it is time for our morning announcements. We're going to start with our pledges of allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now to the great state of Texas. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. And now we'll observe a moment of silent reflection. Friends, today is a B day, so you will see your even-numbered classes today. That's periods 2, 4, 6, and 8. So today is a B day, and you get to enjoy those even-numbered classes today. We do have a new announcement for you today for our new students. Those are students new to NHS, including freshmen and anyone else who maybe has moved in and has not had a chance to set foot in our building yet. We have new student tours coming on September 8th. The time range will be 4 to 8 p.m. We're going to send you more details in the very near future because, of course, as everything is with this pandemic, this is going to look a little different than the traditional tour. So it's not going to be the show up and we have a whole bunch of different things and you're there for a long time. These will be very brief, but and they'll be in very small groups. But you will have the opportunity to at least come walk the campus. And so that's something that we want to provide for our freshmen and for our new students. And so more details to come on that, but mark your calendars for the afternoon and evening of September 8th. And we will send you more information about time slot sign up and those kind of things in the very near future. But we're really excited about that. And that will be in person. And those are all of the announcements we have for today. Texans, I love you. I miss you. I look forward to seeing you again very soon. And I hope you make it a great Thursday.